In this video, I'll show you how to add any type of card to Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, if you are on your mobile device and you're already on your app, simply tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen. Select Link Banks. Tap Link Bank and follow the prompts right now. Now, this is where you need to link your bank account. All right. Put in some information. Okay. Select the bank account you want to replace or even remove. Now, of course, the Cash App will send an automated verification information to make sure that you are the one making the action. All right. And then just follow the on-screen procedure, right? Now, in any case, say for example, you are having problems with adding a debit or a credit card on your Cash App. Simply, what you need to do is go to your profile icon in Cash App and contact support. Tell them your situation, that you're having problems adding a card to your Cash App account, and simply they'll be more than glad to assist you and finally give you solutions on how to successfully add a card to your Cash App. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.